Welcome to the Dallas-Fort Worth June 2025 market update. This is where I'm going to update you every month on the real estate market in a quick way, short video for Dallas-Fort Worth. Let's get into it. All right, so looking at this graph here, this is the close price, the median close price. We are trending sideways since June 2022, right? But overall, we're up. The median close price for the month of May, because this is going through May 31st, is $410,000 is the median home price. Comment if that is high or low to you. Now we are really close to last month's median home price of $410,250, and we are down $10,000 year over year from last year in May. Now, the number of sales, 6,397, that is down as well. Let me just say that Dallas-Fort Worth does feel slower than normal for this time of year. Usually May, we have a lot of buyers out in the market. April, May, and June are our hottest months for buyers on the market. It does feel a little slower. So if you're looking at listing or selling your home, it's not even as hot as last year. Honestly, it's cooled off just a little bit. I would say probably the tariffs and the news, are affecting the sales this year. Interest rates, of course, but there's a little more uncertainty in the market right now. For the month of May, the consecutive days on market, the average is 72, which is much higher than, again, last year of 48 average days on the market. Now, the median days on the market, 30 days, which again is higher than last year of 19. So homes are sitting a little longer than normal. Now, if you're selling, be prepared for that. If you're buying, it's a better time to buy. Now, I know interest rates are high, but it's a better time to buy because you can get a better deal, especially if the home's been on the market 30 days or more. You can typically get a pretty good deal there. If you're selling your property, you want to make sure and list it right on the money. Don't overprice the home because it will sit. And of course, homes that are updated do sell much faster than homes that are not updated. So make sure if you're selling your home, you want to adjust the price accordingly. Okay, here we have the months of inventory. We're sitting right at 4 months of inventory. We've been there for a few months now, but last year we had 3 months of inventory. And what that means is when we get to about 5-6 months of inventory, that's a balanced market. So it's still technically a seller's market, but it feels like a very balanced market right now. Price per square foot, this is the closed price, $217 price per square foot this is Dallas-Fort Worth. This is actually Tarrant, Dallas County, Collin, and Denton County. So kind of on the northern side, Dallas-Fort Worth plus the northern side. And then in April, it was 218, so it's slightly down from last month, but it's down quite a bit from last year. Now, when you list a property, the close price to list price ratio, this is what, if a home's listed at $500,000 and say it sells for $580,000 or whatever that percentage is, that's the close price. So homes are selling at 99% of the list price on average. But if you take a look back in 2022, they were almost at 105%. So you were putting in offers above asking, right? What 99% tells me is that most homes are selling under or close to the list price. There could be some that are newly listed that still go over asking, but overall most of them are just slightly below asking. Here we have the number of expired listings, 7,253 for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. That's up from last month, and it's also up from last year. And so as you can tell, we've had a pullback, a slowdown a little sooner than expected this year. So what does all this mean? It means if you are looking at selling your home, make sure you're listing with a professional that knows how to market the property, stage it, get all the eyeballs on it, right? Professional photos. And you want to make sure the price is not too high, and you can still sell a home pretty decent. I would say we have a window of a few more weeks because once July hits, it slows down significantly if you want to sell a home. If you want to buy a home, Now is a great time to get a great deal, especially if the home's been on the market for more than 30 days. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. If you have any questions or if you want to buy or sell a home, fill out the questionnaire in the link below and I'd be so happy to help. By the way, I'm Dana Pollard, a real estate broker in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex for more than 17 years. Thanks so much for watching.